And still in Westmoreland, the police are investigating the circumstances surrounding the death of a businessman along the Belmont Main Road in the parish Thursday night. The deceased has been identified as Regional Director for Blue Mar Hardware, formerly Caban Hardware, Craig Chong.
Mr. Craig Chong's death has sent shockwaves across Westmoreland. He was a well-known businessman who operated in the parish for years. According to reports, late Thursday night, residents heard a loud explosion followed by a crashing sound in Belmont and summoned the police. On their arrival, Mr. Chong was observed seated in the driver's seat of his vehicle, which collided in a tree with a wound to the right side of his head. TVJ News understands that the businessman was found clutching his firearm, which was later handed over to the police. When our news team visited Blue Mar Hardware, it was closed. Mr. Moses Chabar is the president of the Westmoreland Chamber of Commerce.
Certainly, it is a very sad situation. When we heard of Craig's passing, we were shocked, and we're still trying to come to grips with the reality that he's no longer here. And I first would like to extend condolences and our sympathies to his family, who must be grieving at this time and going through a lot of pain and suffering.
Mr. Chabar says the businessman served the community well.
The Chamber of Commerce here in Westmoreland, not only are we saddened by his passing, but we can say that his passing would have left a void because he has built such a great relationship with so many persons here in Westmoreland ever since he came into the parish. At this time, we are not certain as to the circumstances surrounding his death, and we are waiting to hear more from the law enforcers.
The police are investigating. Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.